We connected an AI agent to our entire GoHighLevel account, not a chatbot, not an assistant that summarizes things for you, an actual AI agent that can read contacts, send messages, trigger workflows, create invoices, and manage our ad campaigns all from a single conversation. The AI I'm talking about is Claude Code, and if you haven't heard of it, Claude Code is basically an AI that runs in your terminal. It doesn't just answer questions, it executes, it calls APIs, it writes code, it takes action on your behalf, and we connected it directly to GoHighLevel's API. I've been on this platform for over 5 years, and honestly, this is the most significant shift in how I run my businesses since I switched to HighLevel in the first place. So let's talk about what this actually looks like day to day. The first thing we connected was the CRM contacts, conversations, tags, custom fields, all of it. I can tell Claude to search for every contact tagged as a VIP who hasn't been contacted in the last 30 days, and it finds them, not through some dashboard or filtered view that I have to click through. I just describe what I want and it pulls the data. But here's where it gets interesting. It's not read only. Claude can create contacts, update fields, add tags, remove tags, attach notes. I can say tag every contact from last week's webinar as webinar-March-2026 and add a note that says follow up by Friday, and it does it. All of them in seconds. And messaging, same thing. Claude sends SMS and email directly through HighLevel, manages conversations across every channel: SMS, email, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, live chat. I'll be honest, the first time I told it to send a message to a real contact, I was nervous, but it worked exactly how you'd expect. Clean, fast, accurate. Now, workflows. This is where I started saving serious time. If you've built workflows in HighLevel, you know the process. Build the automation, test it, then manually figure out which contacts need to go into it. With Claude connected, I can say find every contact from this week's webinar who didn't book a call and trigger the follow-up workflow for all of them in seconds. No clicking through contact list, no manual enrollment. But the part that genuinely surprised me was the AI features. Claude can configure voice AI agents inside HighLevel, create them, update their prompts, attach knowledge bases, set up calendar booking, all through conversation. And the knowledge base piece is honestly kind of wild. I tell Claude to crawl a website, it extracts all the pages, trains the knowledge base, and now any chatbot or voice agent connected to that KB knows everything about the business. That whole process used to take me 45 minutes of clicking through settings and copying URLs. Now it's one sentence. I won't pretend every automation is a one-liner. Complex workflows still need to be built by hand, but the enrollment part, figuring out who goes where and triggering it, that's mostly gone now. All right, now this is where it gets really practical because it's not just the CRM and automations. Claude manages the revenue side too. Opportunities, pipelines, deal tracking. I can say create an opportunity called new website project for this contact, put it in stage 2 of my sales pipeline, set the value at 5,000, and it's done. Move it to the next stage when the proposal is sent, close it when the payment comes in, and invoicing. This one took some work to get right, I'll be real. HighLevel's invoice API has some quirks that aren't in the documentation. We had to figure those out ourselves. But now, Claude creates invoices with full line items, sends them to the contact, and records payments. Recurring invoices, payment schedules, coupons, all of it. The money side of HighLevel is genuinely underused by most people. Having an AI that handles it makes you actually use it. And here's the thing, everything I just described is only the HighLevel piece, because we didn't stop there. In the same Claude Code session, the same conversation, I can check my Google Ads performance. Which keywords are converting? what's the cost per click, which campaigns need budget adjustments, and I can make those changes right there. Adjust bids, pause keywords, add negative keywords. Same with meta ads, create campaigns, upload creatives, adjust targeting, pull daily insights, all from the same conversation where I'm managing high-level contacts. Now think about what that actually means. I can ask Claude to show me which Google Ads keywords drove the most leads this week, cross-reference that with which contacts actually converted in high-level, and then use that data to inform my meta targeting. 3 platforms, 1 AI, 1 conversation, no switching tabs, no exporting CSVs, no copying numbers between dashboards. I'm not going to sit here and tell you this replaced an entire marketing team. That would be ridiculous, but it genuinely reduced the number of hours I spend on operational work across these platforms. And the time I saved goes back into actually running my businesses, which is what I should have been doing all along. So let me zoom out for a second, because this isn't really about Claude Code or even about high-level specifically. It's about what happens when your AI can actually do things instead of just telling you things. Most people use AI to generate text or answer questions. That's useful, but it's step 1. When your AI connects directly to the systems you run your business on, everything changes. You stop being the person who clicks buttons and starts being the person who makes decisions. This setup doesn't eliminate all of the manual work. Some things still need a human, but it handles enough of the repetitive configuration heavy work that you feel the difference in your week. And once you feel it, you don't go back. That's been my experience. Now, I didn't want to just talk about this and leave you with nothing actionable, so we packaged the entire high-level integration into a Claude Code skill that you can set up yourself. It covers contacts, conversations, workflows, voice AI, invoicing, knowledge bases, pipelines, products, the whole thing. Over 25 API modules. You add your account name, your location ID, and your API token, and you're connected. We put it on GitHub. It's free. Head to the link in the description, drop your email, and we'll send you the link to the repo instantly. And if you don't have high-level yet, there's a free trial link in the description. 14 days, full access. If you sign up through that link, you get our full starter bundle, bootcamp, templates, coaching calls, the whole setup kit included for free.